Maintenance of equipment, buildings, and grounds is imperative to ensure a safe product. Maintenance has a direct impact on your ability to control foreign material contamination, microbial contamination, chemical contamination, cleaning and sanitization, employee safety, pest infestation, and customer satisfaction. It is common to divide maintenance into two separate programs, one program for the maintenance of the building and grounds, and another program for the maintenance and calibration of equipment. However, this is just common practice, and all maintenance could be handled under one program or three programs, depending on your circumstances and preferences. Regardless of how many programs you have for the various kinds of maintenance you perform, all maintenance carries with it the following considerations: how to implement preventive maintenance as opposed to just reactive maintenance, how to monitor, record, and trend maintenance activities for continual improvement, how to prioritize maintenance tasks, how to make safe and effective temporary repairs while planning long-term solutions, how to prevent contamination during maintenance activities, how to select equipment, maintenance materials, or tools that comply with GMP requirements, how to verify readiness for commissioning or recommissioning.